Hey team, Josh here from Juniper Meat Company, Wild Game Processing. This video is going to be a review and unboxing of a cool product I found online a few days ago. So I love seeing map-inspired graphic design and marketing, especially with contour lines and things like that, that resemble topo maps. So when I saw this on Facebook, it was a post made by who I assumed the owner was. It cost $70 for a deer half skull mount. They also sell elk half skull mounts, as well as full skull mounts for both species. It took me about 8 minutes to install and mount. Super happy with it. It's an awesome product, it's creative. It looks good here in the butcher shop. So here's a video kind of explaining the unboxing, the installation process. Here's a clip of where and how I found this shed antler. But go check out Topo Skulls. Here's the rest of the video and enjoy. Okay, so now that we got our cool antler, we're gonna go ahead and do an open box on the Topo Skull. So personal letter. Josh, thanks for the order. We hope you love our Topo Skull. Be sure to send us a pic of the finished product and please reach out if you have any question. Thanks, Logan. No, Logan, thank you. Hardware. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I can't wait to get some close-ups. But there's no burrs. It doesn't look like this 3D printed, scaly mess. Everything is very fine, polished off. Very smooth. It's probably gonna go right up there. This is gonna be quite a head turner and a conversation starter. Way high quality. Okay, we're gonna unbag here the hardware. Okay, got a couple 6 stickers, a couple lags, and some instructions here. And now let's get it mounted. Gonna make a quick little baby cut on the base, right here on the pedicle. So trimming it off doesn't have to happen. I just wanted to kind of meet up and butt up evenly. That burr was kind of odd shaped, and so we'll just do it like that. Super customizable as far as the adjustability. It's gonna look sweet. So antlers and skull mounts are a staple and a tradition to the hunting community. This is an awesome, personable, creative, artsy way to dress up my workspace. It would also look great in a garage, in a home, in an office. I couldn't be more impressed with the quality, the hardware, the ease of setting it up and installing. I'm pumped. It was a great use of a shed antler that was just gonna be sitting in my garage. So my wife's happy, I'm happy. Hey, thanks again, Logan.